ya ụmụ ibe anyị ekene ụnụ ọnwa nnụnụ nwoke nọ nso na-ekene ụnụ. Anyị si ka anyị wetara ụnụ oziọma nke si na Iyon Business Consultant wee bịa. Anyị na-ewetara ụnụ ka esi azụ ahịa site na otu ndị Igbo si wee ghọta. Ihe mere anyị nwa na onwe anyị bụ ndị Igbo ji wee na-ebigharị aka bụ na anyị amaghị ihe anyị na-eme. Onye bụ nsogbu anyị. Dịka anyị si kwuo, anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Tupu anyị ebido ihe ọbụla anyị na-ekwu, anyị ga-akọwa onwe anyị bụ anyị nwa bụ Iyon Business Consultant. Our business ethic bụ gịnị? Ezi omume, ezunori, agba na ama ụgha, ịfụnanya. Anyị nwa ji the business philosophy of Igbo we will call Igbo business philosophy. This is our philosophy. Our method of business, which is our business method, bụ gịnị? Small business consulting. As we said, in small business consulting we have a business startup, and this business startup we do it according to our own philosophy, which is aptitude check, location check, career check, trademark check, and the brand check. We have to check all these things so that because business bụ ibu oga bụ ibu. So for you to carry the load, you must know the load you can be able to carry, and also skill development, which is business skill, which is management skill, which is communication skill, which is because if you don't have a communication skill, how do you communicate to your client? And also problem solving skill, because if not, what are you going to offer? Mmadụ anaghị enye ihe ọ na-enweghị. Dịka anyị si kwuo, business is not about buying and selling. We say every day business require more than buying and selling, because you want to be successful in your business. You can't be successful if you don't know what is business blueprint. Not possible. Because in blueprint we have business plan with business scale, business growth, business orientation, and business streamlining. So everything about business is a package. It's something you must study. It's an expertise. It's a profession. It's a specialist. You cannot wake up and buy a shop and put market. No. For you to move a journey, you must have a goal. You must have a destination, vision, mission, purpose, target. You cannot just wake up and start business. My people are draw normal. That is why you see still now Igbo people can aghọ onwe ha aghọ. Onye na nke ndị Igbo si go ofu osisi anaghị eme ọhịa. For us to survive in this rhythm, this 3 dimension, we must coordinate. It's normal. This Iyon Business Consultant na-ekwu maka creativity and innovation, which is we based on entrepreneurship. There will be and there has never been ihe dịka ịdị n'otu na-abụghị site na azụmahịa. A sị gị n'ụwa bụ ahịa. So without azụmahịa enweghị ihe dịka ịdị n'otu, maka na trade union ka a na-ekwu ịdị n'otu. A na-asị Igbo people afụghị onwe ha n'anya. Igbo people you are not united. Nwanne, your father and your mother, they are not brothers and sisters. Ha abụghị nwanne. So ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị abụghị nwanne, kedu isi ihe mere gị ji wee filie na bloodline na-eme exist? Nwanne, ọ bụ ekwekọ ama agba. Is the agreement. Igbo kwenu ya, Igbo kwenu ya, Igbo kwezuo. That means ihe Igbo kwere na ya bụ agreement. What is that agreement? It's a trade union. The agreement is a trade union. O nwere onye nọ n'ala Igbo na-enweghị ihe ọ na-eme. That is why you see the Igbo land of purity, Igbo land of sacrosanct, Igbo land of divine. But joblessness is the house of evil empire, is dungeon of criminality. unemployment is the source of every human diseases and criminality. Unemployment butere everything. That is source of devil. Source of evil is unemployment. We must tackle unemployment in Igbo land by job creation. Every hand must be on desk. All of you must invest in your own father's land. That is your destination. Your destination, because we talk about risk in Igbo land. Let us talk about risk management. Yes. Risk management, you say every day, your business is not secure in Igbo land. Let us measure the risk. Igbo land, yes, according to you, is not secured. But what is the high rate? What is the rate of the insecurity of your business? Because you count about short-term insecurity. What about the long-term insecurity? Igbo land is short-term insecurity. Outside Igbo land is long-term insecurity. Because ịmaghị mgbe ọ ga-eme. Nwanne, anything that happens in this life before we must happen again. Ihe ọbụla mere mbụ ga-emekwa ọzọ. Anything that has happened, asị na ịchọ ihe maka nwaanyị ga-adị ma ọ ka nka nere nne ya anya. If you want to know what will happen in future, look at what is happening today. Whatever happened to you last time, past time, will again happen to you in future if you does not take any measure to stop it from happening. Invest in Igbo land. That is only where your business is secure. In the whole world, only place your business is secure is in your own father's land, your own ancestral land. That is where your business is. Sometimes there is no permanent peace. Sometimes there must be shaking. For transcendent, for something to grow, there must be shaking. There must be vibration. There must be vibration. Of course, yes. But nothing will happen to you. You will not shake. So what we are saying is, we can help you with a business startup. We can help you with a business plan. We can help you with a business blueprint. We can help you in the area of specialization, like business management, like financial management, like a project management or operation management, or even real estate management. If you have intention of building a real estate, it's not about the house and the project. No. It's about economic development, so that those people that will live in your estate will have job. But not about ndị ebidogoroba nke ha, ndị ebidogoroba nke ha, na nwanne le gbọmbọba nke anyị na-afụ dị, gbọmbọba anyị na-afụ dị, no. A developer start from scratch. How do you intend to grow the value of that land you bought, call estate? How? So how do you intend to develop it? Ndị ebidogoroba nke ha, that is not a strategy. There is a strategy to grow a value. You don't want to make money from your land. If you want to make money from the land you bought, you must grow the value of the land. Simple. By growing the value of the land, you make more money. That is how real estate developers make money. It's not about that one is building his own, that one is building. If you want to make money from real estate, call us. We have a strategy of making a real estate value grows higher. Simple as ABCD. Dịka anyị si kwuo ụmụ Igbo, if you want to be a millionaire from real estate development, call a young business consultant. Ya dịrị na ụmụ Ibe.